Hey, this is Gary Kayye. We're here in the SpinetiX booth in Hall 8 at ISE 2020. SpinetiX, as you know, big digital signage company, helped put digital signage on the map. I'm here with Francesco Ziliani, who's the CEO. Yeah, so good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome.
You excited to be here?
Very excited, despite all the problems we have.
Yeah, it's a lot of hype.
It's going to be an excellent show.
A lot of hype. HMP 400, brand new product. Tell us about it.
Well, it's like a baby, new baby coming in the family. It's our first generation. HMP has been very successful for us, and this is going to be amazing. 4K, power of Ethernet to simplify installations, and reliability, long life cycle. Excellent product.
And you've got 3 USB-C ports on here. That's a bit unique here in addition to HDMI.
Yes, USB-C has flexibility. You can have, with the same jack, multiple functions, audio, serial, power. So I think it's really in the direction of where SpinetiX want to go, offer flexibility to our customers.
Yeah, so you see an HDMI port there. You see the 3 USB ports there. Also got some antennas. Talk about the antennas for a second.
Well, Wi-Fi. In some situations, you need Wi-Fi. You need Wi-Fi as well to support Bluetooth.
Right.
And this is something that is new and is going to extend interactivity type of digital signage to our customers. That's very good.
Yeah, and of course SpinetiX as a company, history of digital signage obviously. How do you feel like the digital signage market is going to be in 2020? What do you think, what kind of year is it going to be? And we're kind of on the verge of becoming advertising, right? Aren't we kind of on the verge of becoming a big part of the advertising industry?
Absolutely. I think the industry is getting mature. And we think to be successful, you need to have good partners. So we are starting with Intel because we believe we need to build an infrastructure which is reliable and stable to help our customers streamline cost and improve the solutions and extend the opportunity in digital signage.
Yeah, and talk about your Intel alliance with the IoT group. Talk about how that's going to impact your product and your customers.
Yes. So, of course, now we are starting simple. We are opening ARIA, which is our successful CMS, free of charge, to a bunch of Intel-based products. And that's the first step. But I think with the digital signage operating system that now is compatible with Intel platforms, we can go much beyond that. And I'm excited because Intel is with us, and I hope many customers will come talking to us and explore what we can do together.
Yeah, and if you think about all the computing devices that use Intel chips, and that partnership that you have opens up digital signage to a lot more devices, even outside of what people are thinking about, because it gets you into spaces like collaboration spaces, for example, and places where you already have a bunch of Intel product.
Absolutely, and I think, again, flexibility. We have now the possibility to offer our customers to choose what they really need. Right. So if they need something which is budget or something which is much more powerful, now they will have a choice. Of course, our player is dedicated for specific needs, for specific industry, reliability, and the power Ethernet, so there will be unique elements within our player, but being open, the customer will have a choice.
Yeah, and you can see all this at SpinetiX.com, SpinetiX.com. Did I get that right? SpinetiX. Yes. SpinetiX.com. Check them out, and of course we're going to go around now. We're going to do 2 things. We're going to do a booth tour real quickly. Yes. So I want you to check that out, and we're also going to shoot individual videos on all the new stuff they're showing here. So all you have to do is go to rAVepubs.com/ISE2020, type in SpinetiX in the video search window, and you'll see the booth tour and the other product videos. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Gary. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.